Hello guys, welcome to Skill. Today I'll show you how to center header in HTML. So if you want to center your header, then you can just write some code, then you can do it. Alright, this is my header. Now this header need to uncenter. For this one, you just need to write the center tag. It's currently center now. But if you want to use the CSS code, then you can write the style tag. Then selector H1, then you can just excellent center. Okay, good. So that's it. Thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.